Hi guys, so today we are going to take Kitten, and this cup of juice. It has fruit punch in it. Shh, don't tell her. And we're going to make her drink it. So this kitten needs to stay here so we can burrito her. So we're doing what? So we are doing a thing called burritoing the cat right now. So what you do is oh yes! So we have a new person of the series. It's Jade. Say hi, Jade.
Hello.
So
Get
back to the video. Stop.
Okay.
So right now we are burritoing her. She does not look impressed at all right now.
Let's look at her face. If she would.
If we can. This kitten.
Okay, there's her face.
Not impressed. She's like, what the heck
There's
are
her
you doing?
face. Okay, I'm just gonna.
Oh my god, it went on her face. Sorry, baby. Okay, I'm sorry that you're...
Don't try this at home, kids.
Don't try this at home. We are trained grade 6s. Oh, by the way, we are grade 6, so all the support is necessary. We're just doing it for fun, but ow. Fuck. So, yeah. So,
Yeah.
okay, ready? Quick.
Is she drinking it?
Oh, it was so close when her paw came up. Okay, ready? Second try.
Try not to swear in this video.
That's tribute. She's only 8 months, so I feel bad for her. Ow, ow! She's trying to move down. Okay, this string has to. This string has to go.
Just to prove that it's fruit punch. There you go.
Ugh! I feel bad for this cat. Okay, wait. Okay, you have to lean up. More. Open. Oh, yes! Yes!
Oh,
We did! I feel bad for her now. Her face is red. I wonder how that happened. Oh my god, everything is red right now.
Wait, did she
Drink it? Yeah, she drank it.
No, I mean, like, did she choke?
Oh, she smells like fruit punch.
Did she choke? It's been 2 minutes.
Wait, let me see the camera. Okay, so this is the cat now. She looks so mad. Look at how much fruit punch she drank. She drank almost all of it. Look at how wet she is on her chest now. And on her face, she's like pink, kind of. She's like tinted pink. So, yeah, guys. That's the end of the video. So, I see you next time. Bye!